Hello, what's your name?
My name is Misheck Makaza.
Okay, and you are the younger brother to
The late Makaza.
Tinashe Makaza. I remember Tinashe as well. So, what would you say your style is, Misheck?
What?
The style of your pieces?
This is, they are embryos.
Embryos.
Yes.
Lone figures.
I like
call them
babies
lone.
so much. That's why I always.
How many babies have you got now, Misheck?
I have got 2 babies.
2 babies. Oh.
Yes, baby girls.
2 girls.
Yes.
Oh, that's nice. How long have you been married now?
I've been married for 8 years now.
Yeah, I was gonna say 6 years. Well, longer. Okay. So you've taken on your brother's. Well, this was your brother's style, wasn't it?
Yes.
The late Tinashe
Yes,
style.
I'm continuing this style.
Yeah.
I loved this style so much.
Yeah, well, it's nice that you still
Inspired me
carry
so
on
much.
his work. So you've done all these beautiful little pieces here, which we're going to take and sell abroad. So we're one of your customers, Sculptor. Who else buys your work?
Pardon?
Who else buys from you?
Vivian.
Yeah.
It's my best customer. Annie Devoyem.
Okay, I don't
Roy
know.
Guthrie.
Okay.
There are many more customers.
Many more. So
they are coming every day. They are coming.
Okay.
For this.
Hot buns.
Yes.
So, to which countries are they being sold? America, Canada,
Germany, Netherlands, Belgium, Australia, also China.
China now. China now. Okay,
yes.
And South Africa. Brilliant. Excellent. So you managed to make a living sculpting, and you managed to feed your family.
I managed.
Yeah.
By the time I started, it was too hard.
Yeah.
But as time goes on, I can see that I'm surviving.
Yeah.
Yes.
And you enjoy sculpting.
I enjoy sculpting.
Yeah.
I didn't get to any company.
Yeah.
But I started with sculpting.
How old were you when you started sculpting?
I started when I was 15 years old at school.
Okay. With your brother?
With my brothers. There were 2.
Okay.
Innocent and Tinashe.
Okay. Did I know Innocent?
No.
No, I never met Innocent.
No. But he worked with the likes of Joseph Ndandarika.
Okay.
And the Logadi and Ndandarika.
Okay.
And Brighton Sango.
Big names.
Yes.
I didn't know that. Who, Innocent did or Tinashe did? Or them both? Both of them?
Pardon?
Both of Tinashe and Innocent worked with those guys? Or it was just Innocent who worked with
Both of them.
Both of them, okay.
Yes.
Okay. So, have you got any message for anybody that is buying your sculpture and they're looking at this video of you? Want to say hi? Thank you for buying.
What I can say is I'm very happy for the support I'm getting from the customers. Keep on coming for the good work I'm producing. Keep on supporting me. I will also support you.
Oh, that's lovely.
With good sculptures.
Oh, that's nice. Thank you very much, Misheck.
Thank you very much.